Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can transfer money from Wise to bank account. So to get it started quickly, the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and open up the Wise application or the Wise browser. From here, just click on the send button. Click on add recipient. And from here, you then want to choose the currency that you want to send into. Now to make it easy, let's go ahead and select US dollar. Click on bank details. This is going to be the second option. And from here, you then want to enter someone else if you're sending your money into someone's bank account, or you can just click on the myself if you're sending it to yourself. In our case, let's select someone else. Now, all you have to do is to go ahead and fill out the necessary information like the full name, routing number, account number, the account type, and country. Of course, this is going to be the United States. And from there, you also have options like ACH, Wire, and Swift. After making sure that the information is correct, you can just click on the continue button, enter the amount that you want to send with, review the information once more, and from there you then have to pay the amount. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.